official move-in date is November 18th. So excited. I actually partnered up with Roadway to help me with my move. So thank you so much, Roadway, for helping your girl out. You guys, I'm so excited. Well, anyways, hello, welcome back to a new vlog. This whole move is going to be my life, my content for a bit. So I figured, why not make it a series, an adulting series, a living alone series. I love watching those. Shout out to Michelle Choi for I mean, she's the only one that I've actually really fallen in love with and love watching her living alone series. So I just thought it'd be fun to do my own series while I'm living on my own for the year. So I was so excited. I will admit though, I wasn't as excited as I am now that's happening. This was definitely super emotional, very nerve-wracking for me. Just a huge, huge ass decision, and obviously it's in alignment because I feel so giddy and so pumped. I did get overwhelmed last night looking up furniture because there's just so many things I don't necessarily need, but obviously want to furnish my home so it's nice and homey and perfect for me. So this will probably be like a little piece together vlog because you know, today I am running around. This isn't necessary to the move, but I'm redoing my nails. I love my nails. They are so good, but they're just getting a little long, and I hate when they lift because then my hair snags. And that's gonna be interesting. Do I continue coming to my nail place, which is cool because I can visit my mom because it's close by, or do I find a new place in LA? I did find a new pedicure spot that I liked. That was like $20 pedicures by my boyfriend, so I might just do that when I visit him, and that's in LA. But yeah, getting my nails done before the move might be a good idea, might be a bad idea, I don't know. But yeah, so today on the agenda, getting my nails done. I'm gonna pop by Avocado Mattress today to see, I need a new mattress. I bought a new mattress a few months ago and it was terrible, and I missed the deadline to return it. So I'm trying to figure out what I like. My boyfriend has a Tempur-Pedic and I love it, and I never liked Tempur-Pedics, but I sleep like a dream on his bed. So I want to check out Avocado ones because they're more sustainable. So I don't know what the weekend's gonna hold. Rufus Du Sol's playing this weekend. I'd love to go see them in concert. That would be so rad, but I don't know if there's gonna be time. And just a busy, fun week next week. So welcome to a new series on my vlog. I feel like it's adulting, living alone, learning this whole process. I feel like a lot of you babes have already gone through this, and this is new for me. So if you have any comments, suggestions, comment them below. I did post on my stories asking for some furniture places to shop. I got Facebook Marketplace, West Elm, CB2, Target. So if you guys have any other suggestions, I know this is going to be a bit of a process, but I definitely want to get a couch. I have a dining room table, which I'm excited about. I can't wait to show you guys that. But yeah, so this vlog will be just running errands today, a couple adult things I have to do for the move, and then Sunday I get my keys, and then I'll show you guys my apartment. It is Saturday now, and I'm actually headed out to a concert. Rufus Du Sol, my favorite band ever. They're playing in LA. Oh, just went to grab the dog, so I'm breathless. I gotta go, my Uber's here. But I just wanna show you guys what I'm rocking tonight. This Lioness Princess Polly top, which I have a promo code for. My House of Sunny zebra pants. My New Balances 550s. And then I'm gonna carry a little card wallet since you have to carry really small bags now. So this is what I'm rocking. I'm so excited. And then tomorrow I pick up my keys to my apartment. Yeah! So yeah, here I go, going to a concert. I also have to show you guys my nails from yesterday. Amazing. Okay, I gotta go. Good morning, you guys. I'm getting ready because today we are picking up keys to my new apartment. I'm so excited. I'm at my boyfriend's house right now. My hair's still wet from last night from a slick back bun. So, well, it's not too wet, but it's a little damp. This is probably not a good thing to be doing with a little damp hair, but I hate blow drying my hair because it gets so frizzy. And I'm using this T3 wand that I love. It is interchangeable, so you can change out the wands. And this one's my favorite wand. It's this cascading one, and it gives the most natural looking waves for me. So we're doing that. I keep this here at my boyfriend's. I don't really use top curling tools anymore since I got my Dyson, which a review is coming. Finally showing you guys how I like to use my Dyson Airwrap and Corel. So I'm gonna get ready right now. I'm just doing my hair. I'm gonna show you guys a couple new makeup products that I've been loving. I already primed my face, but I'm in love with Elia's True Skin Radiant Primer. Really, really like that. And then I actually have been using Giorgio Armani's Luminous Silk Foundation. I remember before I was evolved in the blogger space like I am now, before I even had like gifting from Giorgio Armani, I bought the foundation and I didn't like it. I don't know. I know it's like one of those things that is like a love-hate. Like some babes love it, some babes don't like it, and I just didn't care for it. And I don't know what happened, but I'm obsessed with it. I've been using it a lot lately. They just sent me a new bottle. So I've been loving Merit foundation. It's so easy to apply. Yeah, I'll show you guys right now. So this is the Luminous Silk Foundation. I'm the color 6.25, and then I've been using Kosas Concealer, and I'm 5 Warm. And then I've just been using my beauty blender. This one's by Eco Tools. Actually just sent me some stuff which I'm so excited about. Sustainable, eco-friendly brand. Pretty cool. So we're gonna touch up my hair and do some makeup and then go get my key. So I wanted to show you guys this palette that Urban Decay sent me. It's their new Eternals. I have a post-it to remind me to return some stuff at Zara. It's their Eternals collab. I actually really like the colors. They sent me an extra one, so maybe I should do a giveaway in this vlog. But I really like the colors. How beautiful they are. I actually wore this one last night, as you guys can see. It's called the Protector, and it's like a nude, but it has some green in it. So I don't think you guys saw, but I had like an iridescent like eye yesterday, which was cool with my top. I'm so lazy with shadow, you guys. This is my go-to, just like keep blending, keep blending it in. Quickly, I'm gonna show you guys. I'm spraying my hair with Ceremonia's Oil Mist con Aloe Vera. Went to their like West Coast party, my last vlog you guys saw. It's a Latin-owned hair care line. Love, love, love it. It's created with Latinas in mind, which is amazing. So I don't really need hairspray for my hair to hold. So I just sprayed the oil, and it smells so good and feels so soft. I think I might have sprayed a little too much, but we good. It's all good. We Gucci. Okay, I'm gonna put my mascara in the car. Oh, and then I'm rocking this super cute one piece from RUMI. It was a bit pricey, but so worth it, you guys. I'll try to find some affordable options, but I love the square neckline. It feels so comfortable and I love it. I'm not wearing a bra with this because if I wear my Uniboob one, which you guys saw in my last vlog, it just sausages me down or makes my boobies flat. So let's head out. Mascara again in the car. Hair's looking really pretty. Let's go. I'm in my apartment, you guys. I just showed my best friend and she loves it. I'm gonna do a little empty, not little, I'm gonna do a apartment tour, empty apartment tour for you guys. I just got this amazing wagon though, so I'm just trying to link it in my stories. I was gonna get like a little grocery cart, but I decided to invest in this. I got it at Walmart. It was 50 bucks and, or $55, came out to 60. And I absolutely am obsessed because I hate going back and forth. So this is gonna be my best friend, my new roommate. I brought stuff from home. Amanda's here, checking out the apartment. Are you ready for an empty apartment tour? I'm so excited. Okay, so you walk in my house. All right, so here's my kitchen. I have a microwave. I have an oven. Cannot wait to cook in here. Got some storage in here. And then this is my kitchen counter. I have a stove, pot storage, cabinet, pantry cabinet vibes. My cutlery drawer, more cabinets, right? Cabinets, is it plural or singular? I got a dishwasher, cabinets, which will be more probably pantry stuff, maybe big bowls. And then I think here would be cute for my dishes and cups since it's like right here, you know? Here's my sink. And I have a garbage disposal. Also little cabinets underneath here, which will be for my cleaning supplies. I like that it's like, I don't know, what is that, metal? It's like aluminum. And freezer. She's a beauty. Cannot wait to fill her up. Look at how cold it is in here. Look at these shelves.
Oh, that's so nice.
Like it's so cold.
Oh my God. Wow.
And then freezer. Got a little ice machine too, a little scooper.
That's cute.
That's my kitchen. And then this is gonna be my living room area. Probably gonna put my couch here, TV here. There's my new best friend. Also, I need to learn how to close cabinets, probably. I leave doors open all the time. Cabinets, drawers.
You'll learn.
I need to learn. Here's my air conditioning. So aesthetic.
Cute little mess.
Yes. Here's the guest bathroom. Hey. Here's my guest room, which actually will be my office. So excited. Some cabinets here. And then laundry closet is right here. And then this is my bedroom. She's a beaut. Put my bed here. Here's my closet. I actually have a window in my closet, which is crazy. And then here's my bathroom, which hopefully we do some get ready with me, some get ready, get unready with me before bed vibes. So welcome to my home. I'm so excited for this next chapter. We're gonna unpack some stuff now. Well, I brought my food and I have some glasses, which is great. Oh wait, I have to tell them about my story. My wine glass story. So a few years ago, during a collab, Amanda and I were at the Row in downtown LA, and I don't know what came over me, but I was like, I want to buy myself some nice wine glasses. This was like 3-4 years ago. And Amanda's like, yeah, okay, like cool. And I was like, yeah, because whenever I move out, like I will have these nice wine glasses. Watch, they're all cracked. So cracked. Have you looked at them today? I haven't looked at them since. They've been stored away. And I haven't
And you have the first glassware in your new apartment.
I know, what the heck? Where should I here? My stemware. It's like Carrie Bradshaw and her frickin' Manolo Blahnik.
Her sweaters in the oven, and the shoes in the oven?
Yes, sweaters in the oven, but your girl loves to cook, so. But remember she like left her Manolo Blahniks in her,
Oh, that's right.
in her closet.
Her dream closet.
And I have like my dream kitchen, so like there's my Manolo Blahnik story. They're so cute. Okay, aren't they beautiful? Yeah, it's gonna have wine. So I've had these for like 4 years, and now they're gonna have a home. And then let's shut them these our place. Wow. Shout out to our place. We love them. They sent me their new glasses. And these are fun. Look at their different colors. Green.
Those are really pretty.
Oh, they're really clear. They're so pretty.
Drinkable. That's really cool.
Thank you. You thirsty? Like some water? And then they come with these nice little sponges. All right.
Wow. To clean?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
So we're gonna unpack. I'm gonna unpack actually. And then, I don't know what we have on the agenda. I think I might show my brother this place. He wants to see it. He texted me. All right, you guys. I don't know what we're gonna do, but I'll be back.
More to come.